everyone and welcome to the channel. Myself Tanvi, and today I'm going to tell you guys about my German A1 exam score. So this video is divided in 4 parts. In the first part I'll tell you guys about a little bit of my background, how I started learning German, when I started learning it and everything. In second part I'll explain a little bit of Goethe exam format, how it is, how is German A1 exam, what are the sections in it, and in the third part I'll tell you what my score was, and the last section is a bonus tip. I am going to make a different video for how I prepared, what strategies I used. I started learning German back in the year 2018 when I passed my 10th standard board exams and thought of doing something, thought of learning something new as a hobby. So I chose German, a foreign language, to learn, and I began my classes in April 2018 and I gave my exam in June 2018. So it was just 2.5 months class. It was almost from Monday to Friday, daily 2 hours. And it was a lot of fun, and we followed books called Netzwerk. So these are the Netzwerk books. This is the course book and this is grey color. This is the Arbeitsbuch. I have made a separate video on which books you can use to prepare for your A1 exam and for A1 course as well. So the link for that video will be given in the description box. So please go and watch that video as well. So I'll give you guys a little bit of idea on how this exam is. So this exam has 4 modules, which is listening, writing, reading and speaking. And in listening exam there will be an audio which you listen to, and simultaneously you have to mark the answers in the answer sheet. In the reading part there will be text given and you have to mark the answers in the answer sheet. It's quite similar to listening part. In writing part there are 2 tasks given. In one you have to fill a form and in second you have to write a letter to someone. Speaking part is a little bit of elaborate where you have to introduce yourself, ask question to your partner, answer the question which your partner asks. So I'll make a separate video on that, how the exam is, what questions are asked, etc. After my A1 exam, I gave my A2, B1, B2, C1 exams as well, and currently I am at C2 level. So I'll share more of my videos about how I prepared for the exams, what my strategies were, etc. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. So now it's time to tell my score. What I scored in Goethe Zertifikat A1 or Startdeutsch 1 Prüfung. So I have scored 23.24 points in Hören, which is listening, 24.9 points out of 25, that is 25 in Lesen, which is reading. In Schreiben I have scored 24.9 points. Schreiben is writing, and in Sprechen I have scored 23.24 points out of 26. Sprechen, which is speaking. So total I have scored 96 marks out of 100. I lost my 4 marks in some silly mistakes and I regret it till date. I have received the grade sehr gut here. So I will tell you how even the grading system works. So if you score points between 0 to 59, you have not passed the exam, you have failed. So you get a remark, you get a grade which is nicht bestanden. If you score something between 60 to 69, you get a grade which is ausreichend. If you score something between 70 to 79, you get a grade befriedigend. And if you score anything between 80 to 89, you get good, and anything between 90 to 100 points is sehr gut. Now it's time for a bonus tip. One of the very most important things that I would suggest you guys is to use only one book for study. Like if you are using Netzwerk, follow Netzwerk from start to the end. Don't change or jump between books. Okay, so if you are following Netsware, follow it. If you are following Studio, follow Studio. Whatever book you are following, just follow it from start till the end. Once you finish, you can decide what you want to follow further or what you want to read next. But finish one book. That is what I would like to tell. And don't run behind resources. I'll do this PDF, I'll read this book, I'll read that book, I'll watch this YouTube video, I'll watch another YouTube video, I'll do everything. I'll learn A2 stuff also, I'll learn B1 stuff also. Don't do that. Just follow one book religiously and you'll see the results. The main aim for me to make this video is because there's a lot of fear among students that Goetha exams are difficult. Most of the times you fail these exams. So now you have seen my results. I've scored 96 marks out of 100 and I studied religiously, I did my homework, I followed book. That's it, nothing else. So if you have any doubts regarding the exam or any doubts related to German language, you can follow me on Instagram, you can ask me the doubts. There's also a WhatsApp group where I'm quite active. So you can ask me doubts there and comment boxes there itself. So you can ask your doubts in comments as well. So thanks for watching the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.